Hey, it's Sernoskie with LePage Team Realty, and I have your next renovation project. My newest listing, 21 Penfield Drive, located in Kanata. It's an end unit townhome with tons of potential. We're in sought after Beaverbrook, and we're close to Kanata Centrum, the park and ride, and this house backs onto a walking path. I'm excited for you to come on in and take a look. The location is unbeatable, and it has great bones. The layout of this house provides 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and a semi-finished basement. It's a blank canvas to make the home of your dreams, a true handyman special.